Both human and pet guts harbour diverse communities of microorganisms, known as the gut microbiome, which is essential for maintaining a healthy gut. Specific changes in the composition of the gut microbiome can potentially lead to health issues in both humans and pets, including cats and dogs.
Probiotics can introduce beneficial microorganisms to the gut, whereas prebiotics provide substances for microorganisms to feed on. These probiotics and prebiotics can help restore balance and promote diverse and healthy microbial communities. The effectiveness of a probiotic product depends on having sufficient numbers of live microorganisms reach the gut. The current industry standard for quantifying live probiotic microorganisms has limitations when it comes to accounting for the complete microbial diversity present in these products. We are addressing this limitation by using flow cytometry to accurately and rapidly count live microbial cells from probiotic products. How prebiotics, in particular dietary fibers, impacts the gut microbiome and the health of cats and dogs is not completely understood. So work here at FAAB aims to address this knowledge gap and help develop feed and supplements that will be beneficial for our pets.
Overall, our work will allow the industry to better evaluate and improve the efficacy of commercial prebiotic and probiotic products. This way, we help to improve both your gut health and that of your pets.